Good afternoon. You're watching Compare Education Pakistan and my name is Rashil Anwar. So let's start. Our first word is health is wealth. Unit 13, grade 6, lecture 4. So let's start. Our first word is strong. It means مضبوط, healthy, सेहतमंद. Success, کامیابی. Always, ہمیشہ. Thanks, شکریہ. Opened, کھولا, grandfather. Then why are you so unhappy? Young man. If you are strong and healthy, you will get success in your life. دادا. پھر تم اتنے ناخوش کیوں ہو؟ نوجوان. اگر آپ مضبوط اور صحت مند ہیں تو آپ کو اپنی زندگی میں کامیابی ملے گی. Always be thankful to Allah Almighty for what He has given you. اللہ رب العزت کا شکر ادا کریں جس نے یہ سب آپ کو دیا ہے. احمد. Oh yes, thanks my great grandfather. احمد. او ہاں شکریہ میرےعظیم دادا. You opened my eyes today. آپ نے آج میری آنکھیں کھولی. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you all had fun learning about health is wealth. Unit 13, grade 6. Make sure to subscribe our channel Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.